Welcome back to Success Blueprint, the channel where your journey to greatness begins with your mind. Today, we're diving into a powerful topic: how to build a $1 million mindset, even if you're broke right now. Yes, you heard that right. Even if you have zero in the bank, you can start building the mindset that creates wealth, freedom, and purpose. Let me tell you something that might just change your life. Being broke is a temporary situation, but having a poor mindset, that's permanent, unless you make a choice to change it. Most people think money creates success, but the truth is, mindset creates money. You don't get rich by luck, you get rich by thinking differently. Millionaires think in terms of value, growth, and long-term goals. They don't complain, they don't wait, they don't blame, they focus. They learn, they execute. Right now, you might not have $1 million, but you can start thinking like someone who will. Here's the first mindset shift you need to make. Number 1, problems are not obstacles, they're opportunities. Every business idea, every invention started with a problem. Uber solved transportation issues. Airbnb solved travel costs. Your idea could be next. Number 2, learn before you earn. Rich people invest in stocks, but wealthy minds invest in learning. If you're broke, the best thing you can do is read, watch, listen, and grow. There's a $1 million library on YouTube alone, and you're already using it. Smart minds read books. Broke minds scroll TikTok. Number 3, stop chasing quick money. Everyone wants fast cash, but quick money usually leads to quick regret. Don't fall for shortcuts. Fall in love with skills. Skills build empires. Patience protects them. A side hustle takes time. A brand takes years, but the rewards? Life-changing. Number 4, discipline is your superpower. Do it when you're tired. Do it when it's boring. Do it when no one's watching. Discipline is what separates dreamers from doers. And doers, they win. Train your body, train your focus, train your mind. Number 5, money follows value, not effort. You don't get paid for how long you work. You get paid for how well you solve problems. Learn to ask, how can I help people? How can I solve a problem better than anyone else? That's how $1 million ideas are born. Number 6, see it before it happens. Every morning, visualize your future, where you live, what you drive, how freedom feels. When your vision is clear, your hustle becomes natural. Bonus tip, change your environment. You can't grow around people who complain all day. You can't win if everyone around you is losing. Surround yourself with people who dream bigger, think smarter, and push you to evolve. Let's be real. You don't need money to start. You need drive, discipline, and a decision. A decision to upgrade your mind, to reject excuses, to become the person your future self will thank you for. This is the beginning of your millionaire story, not in your wallet, but in your mind. If this video fired you up, hit that like button, drop a comment below with the habit you're working on this week, and subscribe for more mindset and success videos. You're watching Success Blueprint, where we turn ambition into achievement. Until next time, keep grinding, stay focused, and remember, broke is a moment, mindset is forever.